Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we are checking out this dash cam. So this is the M550. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the dash cam itself. So you have your modes and buttons right there. It goes over everything. They give you a 64 gigabyte memory card, brackets, all your installation tools, your 12-volt plug, which also has a USB on it, and your reverse camera. Now we're not going to show the reverse camera, due to installation times. We're going to show you guys the dash cam and the footage. So let's go ahead and jump right to the footage because that's what people care about.